So this is a quick tutorial on doing a quick StageNow profile to update a device that needs to go from one lifeguard version to another. And this is if you have quite a few devices, you need to get updated and staged. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a remote server and do it that way with StageNow. So on the device, what we see, we're going to be upgrading from LG 79, as we see here at the bottom, and we want to update to LG 106. So you could create an update that goes from the same PC that's running the StageNow application, or what we're going to do is do it from a remote server. So you can just go ahead and scan a whole bunch at a time, and it will update multiple devices as long as your wireless or your Wi-Fi can handle it. I'm using a local network, so it's just going to go from a local PC basically on the same subnet. So in StageNow, I created an expert config, and it has 3 steps in it, 3 settings: Wi-Fi setting, file manager, and power manager. So the Wi-Fi, basically when I take the device out of the box, I'm going to scan the Wi-Fi so it can get on the network. And the 2 important ones are going to be the file manager and the power manager. The file is going to be on my remote server at a .46. I just put it under an FTP directory and set it here. This is for a TC21, and we're going to be going to this 106. So the file manager, basically I give it a name that's relevant to it. Still, file actions, file copy. So, but here's the 2 main things. We're always going to go onto basically the SD card, and I put the name of the file. But the source file is going to be external, and I'm using FTP. I'm just using my username and password is built in, .46, and then I also here I put in the file name. So it's going to go out and get this file name once it connects. So at this point, we're looking at the power manager. The power manager setting is going to do an OS upgrade. So upgrade only, supported on Android or above. Okay, we're selecting that. And then the file is just SD card and the LG 106 file. Nothing else needs to be set in here. So if we go continue, and then we're going to go continue, and this should give us our StageNow barcode. We'll go ahead and run test. So on our device, we'll go back and we're going to go hit StageNow, scan the barcode, it'll start the staging. And then if we look at the server, we'll see that it gets connected and starts the download process. And it'll keep going here. So once that's done, we're going to see that the OS update will get pushed down and sent. So this takes a little bit of time, but while this one's downloading, you could always scan a second one, a third one, and just keep it going. What you're doing is just leveraging if the file is somewhere else. Thank you.